So this, you guys, happens to be the storm of the century, for me at least. We barely made it in 5 minutes of our tent, which is happening to be collapsing. The lightning is unreal. The storm is unreal. They said freaking tornado warnings and everything, and we just happen to be on the middle, like, of an open field in the middle of the mountains. You know, we're out in God's countries, but the sign said when I first walked into this town. So this is Chanel speaking. If anything happens tonight, this is because of a storm. Some hurricane weather I've never experienced. This is unreal, I have to tell you. I'm dying. It's hot. It's humid. Our tent's gonna blow over. The lightning's striking uncontrollably. It's like I have to pee. It's not even a joke. I was trying to make it to the bathroom before this hit, and you could just see it rolling over the mountains. I believe I got a picture of it as it happened. If you guys can see this, maybe you can see the lightning or not. I'm trying to keep the window clean right now, but I think the safest place I'm right in is right now in the van. You know, this is terrifying. If you guys are seeing this, this is unreal. It's right above our head, and it's supposed to not end until 10 o'clock tonight. It's Thursday, July 26th or 27th. I'm up in Coddsport, Pennsylvania. This is just some terrific, like, scariness. I have to pee. This is horrible. Just straight. I just wish it would let up for a sec. You guys can hear this. Like, anybody, I pray that there's not going to be a tornado down. Like, this shit is scary. And the windows are fogging up. The humidity is 91%. It's probably about 85 degrees right now outside. The trees are moving. Tent's blowing over. Here's their tent. My dad's in there right now, like a maniac, instead of sitting in here with me. This, you guys, is the storm of the century. This is me reporting, soaked, freaking hot, scared out of my mind. Has lightning striking everywhere. I can't even get out of the car right now. I'm too afraid. So, yeah, this is not cool.